Hey, we have a linear function here. It says Alan can read 20 pages per hour. He picks up a book that is 237 pages long. Write a formula showing how many pages he has left to read after each hours. So let's see. We're going to write ourselves a function, and since we're talking about calculating pages, maybe we will make it called P and pages per hour, P of H. Okay, so then we need to kind of fill things in and kind of remember we're using the mx plus b scenario here. But what do we have? We have a rate of 20 pages per hour and we have an initial value of 237 pages. So the thing to notice here is that he is taking away 20 pages every hour from his 237 page total. So he starts with 237 and he's losing 20 per hour. So we could write it as P of H equals negative 20H plus 237, or we could write it as P of H equals 237, which is the starting amount, minus 20H, where he's taken away 20 pages every hour. All right, thank you.